From the daily list, item number 1 to 5.
Okay, we condone the delay last time.
Last time.
Yes.
My lord, here the petitioners, my lord, they were temporarily appointed.
I think this is the case where last time she said you already approached the court and got an order, not preferred an appeal. Is this the case?
No,
No, this is not the law.
Yes.
My lord,
Lordship, I just wanted to make a small submission here, Lordship. There's another writ appeal also, which has not been listed today. They arise of the same common judgment, Your Lordship.
for the fact that, my lord, on the last date, my lord,
That
the service was not effected, but it has already been effected. I have filed my affidavit of service, my lord.
When is it listed?
it
No,
was
no,
listed
no
last
date is
week,
fixed.
now it has not been listed. This week it is not
What is
listed.
the number?
My lord, number is, it's writ appeal number 8,
192. 192
192 of 2023. If I may submit, my lord. My
We will
lord,
take both matters
All
together.
the matters may kindly be taken up together, Your Lordship,
My lord.
because it arises out of the common judgment. Otherwise, there will be
a short date may be fixed, my lord.
I'm
Short.
ready for
Request
that.
of, it is represented by both parties that connected writ appeal 192
192, my lord.
of 2024 or
23.
23 is pending, and that both might be heard together.
Next week, my lord.
On 22nd.
26. Deeply obliged,
Right, Your Lordship. So
It will be available only on 22nd.
my lord. Deeply obliged.
Item number 6.
May I please, Madam? Today, the matter was fixed for submitting of a compliance report as per order dated 5th of February 2024.
What's the date, sir?
Compliance report, my lord. What had happened in this case is the petitioners who are employees of aided colleges, my lord, who get the deficit grant in aid, they have prayed for the implementation of the CPF scheme.
Last time the
My
matter
lord,
came.
my lord, that was a matter where Lordship had directed the EPF to be implemented because the CPF was not applicable to them. This is the case.
First one to orders of the Supreme
My
Court.
lord. And here, my lord, in this case, the CPF was to be implemented because the salary was coming fully from the government and there was already a scheme in existence. These were aided, my lord. And here, it was an admitted position that the CPF scheme will be made applicable to them. That was statements made before the Honorable Court in previous litigations also when they avoided the EPF scheme. Now, if Lordship will kindly have paragraph 6.
Which is the other side?
The AG was appearing. They have filed a compliance, what they call a compliance report today.
Where is that?
They have submitted around 5-10 minutes ago.
The government should be there.
My lord.
They're busy with the elections. Yes.
But otherwise, my lord, what happens here is, my lord,
That's right. We other side.
should
In
be.
the absence of other side, how can we pass orders?
We'll wait for some time then. My lord.
So in this case, they've admitted that you are entitled to CPF.
On such admission, this honorable court had granted that the execution of an agreement with the bank will
And
be.
where is the complaints?
But I have only a single copy with me, my lord, which I.
Copy. Just show us. We'll go through it and return to you.
This was one copy.
Who appears with the respondent? Counsel's name?
Learned AG appears, my lord. Yes. The Advocate General appears.
Amit.
My lord, yes.
One there. But here also government counsel. Yes, sir.
My lord, due to the network, I believe AG is unable to. Due to the link, my lord, AG is not.
You too?
Network, my lord.
Is also not there on online. So once you extend the CPS, you have to continue the same. When did you join? Prior to 2003?
But here's
Or after
the-
2003?
these people have joined in 90s. They said in different cases that the CPF is being made applicable. What they did was they deposited all the CPF money in joint accounts in joint account saving banks in the banks. They did not put it in a CPF fund, and that was our case. Now for the
You
CPF,
have to put it, otherwise it'll not only you'll be facing you have to pay not only interest but also face prosecution. Anyone at the age of here.
that was a direction in the last order that they will execute that agreement with the bank.
File sir, you have not filed the compliance affidavit. You have served him a copy.
Sir, is
It is not.
I'm sorry.
Yes, Mr. Amit.
Milord, yes, Your Lordship. In fact, we have complied with the direction, Milord. We have complied with. We have complied with the direction, Milord. There were 3 requirements, Milord. As per the-
Please read the last order.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Complied with.
We have to file a compliance report, Milord, in this matter. And we have prepared the
Mr. Amit, we
compliance.
don't have a copy of the compliance affidavit.
Your Lordship,
No,
kindly
you
have
give it to your
next-
friend. It's not available in our bundle.
I will do one thing, Milord. I will file it today, Milord, and Your Lordship may have it next week, Milord.
No, it is represented by Mr. Amit, Advocate General, that the order dated so-and-so has already been complied with, and compliance affidavit will be filed today. And that copy has already been served on the other side. Please also post the matter on 29th.
Obliged, Milord.
Could it be the 3rd, my lord? I may not.
Third.
3rd may be.
3rd of May.
3rd of May. 29th will do, my lord. I'll be there on PC. I'll come on PC, my lord. I'll be out of station on paper. I'll come on PC.
Yes, 29th.
Obliged.
Item number 7.
May it please your lordship. My lord, this matter pertains to the compensation, 32 acres of the compensation where 2 issues were involved.
But the previous district judge,
Yes, my lord. The first
the
report,
confusion with that.
yes, therefore the new reports are here. But I must at the very outset inform my lords that I was going through the reports. There is no pagination. I don't know in the original there is pagination or not. What I was submitting is that if this pagination is not there, there will be confusion when I am trying to assist my lords. Therefore,
Full time.
my lord, yes. My lord, if
Of the
Yes, Lordship, we have received the copy of that inquiry report.
Sir?
Lordship, we have received the copy of the inquiry report, Lordship, and the reply process is going on, Lordship. So kindly.
last time itself we gave you time.
Lordship, we just received, Lordship, in the last occasion.
in the meantime, my lord, there may be
Lordship, I'll wait for 2
pagination.
weeks' time.
Remember that
Yes.
you said that you hand over a copy.
Yes, we have given. The registry has given, not the registry has given.
Well, at the request of both the parties. What's the matter? Same date. When do you want?
My lord, after the elections, my lord,
After elections.
after the elections. My lord, in the meantime, my lord, if the registry,
But, last week of April or first week of May, you check the date and give. Yes.
in the meantime, my lord, if the registry may be directed to give a paginations of the report, and I'll compare with that.
Yeah, but registry is expected to give the pagination in order to enable the parties to refer to the page when they make the submissions.
Obliged.
On so and so date.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 8.
Last case, huh? Last one. Come on. Yes,
May I please, Your Lordship? Conducting counsel is engaging in another court.
conducting counsel,
Engaging in another court, Lordship.
Madam,
Ten of
from
the
day one, we are informing you, at least I am being informing you, that junior counsel must be ready to argue the matter.
That this matter is the end of the board, Lordship.
The counsel appealing for the petitioner submitted that the counsel is not present today and sought time. What's the matter? See, utilize the opportunity. Juniors must utilize the opportunity. The absence of your senior is a blessing for you. That's all.
Item number 9.
Lordship, I play for 1 week time, Lordship. The arguing counsel is from Guwahati, Lordship.
Sir?
I play for 1 week time, Lordship. The arguing counsel is from Guwahati.
Huh?
He's from Guwahati, so he could not come due to some personal difficulties.
Lordship, we heard this matter on Friday, my lord.
Ah, correct. You said we'll hear, not on Tuesday, we'll hear it today.
Lordship, the arguing counsel is.
This is the case.
He shot at
3 bullets.
3 bullets, my lord.
Lordship.
So in the revolver, 6 bullets are there. So you want to utilize the other 3 bullets to finish him off. How can you be reinstated? We'll dictate the judgment. I'll do the orders. Last time,
Lordship, so Lordship, I will.
see, last time when you
All
left
right,
the
Lordship,
court,
I will.
last time when you left the court, we informed that we'll take it that you have argued the matter.
All right, Lordship, I'm arguing, Lordship.
What is the lacuna in the inquest? That's all. That's the only point you have to pinpoint.
Lordship. Lordship, here, Lordship, I'm impugning the judgment and order dated 5/3/2024, Annexure 3, page 25, 70, page 75. The judgment and order. Page 75.
75.
And the operating part is at page 81, paragraph
Page
81.
81.
And operative part is at serial number 10. As such, in view of the stipulation of the Assam Rifles Act and rules, and also the fact that the petitioner has since served his sentence, and there being no question as to the deprivation of or violation of natural justice in the proceeding, the instant distribution is devoid of any merit and is accordingly dismissed. Lordship, the facts of the case is that in court of inquiry and in by order dated, Lordship, 23/3/2018, I was sentenced to undergo 3 years rigorous imprisonment.
That you have undergone.
Yes, Lordship. I have
That
undergone.
itself will suffice.
Lordship.
When you are in imprisonment,
Lordship.
there is no need. When you are convicted by the court,
Lordship.
there is no need for you to continue in service.
Lordship, I am coming.
That apart, he
Lordship.
answered they have conducted domestic inquiry.
Lordship, right. Lordship, I am coming. Thereafter, Lordship, I preferred a post-confirmation petition,
Sir?
which was post-confirmation petition before the respondent number 2, and it was rejected only on the ground of delay, Lordship. It was never, they have not decided my appeal, that is the post-confirmation petition on merit, but they have rejected only on the ground of delay. That is Annexure 1, page 47.
47.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So they have rejected my post-confirmation petition only on the ground of delay, Lordship. They have not decided it on merit.
There is no need, sir.
Lordship.
Supreme Court has categorically, see,
Yes.
the rules clearly say,
Yes, yes.
based on conviction, you can be dismissed from service.
Yes. Lordship, I'm just
The,
stating
the
the facts.
department takes a risk. Look, once you are acquitted by the court, then you will be reinstated in service. So D has the criminal case, they have conducted an inquiry. In the domestic inquiry, it has been proved.
Lordship.
Don't take us into those delay, etc. You have to establish that in the domestic inquiry, these are all the lacuna based on which we can interfere.
Lordship, and I'm just stating the facts, Lordship. And in the impugned order, the London single judge has stated at serial number 8, page 80, on the other limb of submission of the counsel for the petitioner, that the offence was not triable by the Assam Rifles Code, a perusal of section 56 of the Assam Rifle Act 2006, suppose the submission of the London DSGI as to...
Brother, sorry.
Lordship, here I'm just pointing out that it is stating that a person subject to this act who commits an offence of murder or culpable homicide not amounting to murder against or of rape in relation to, or a person not subject to this act shall not
The
be
person is alive?
guilty of an offence against
Where the
this act.
person is alive, is survived.
Survived.
Lordship, here, Lordship, I'll try to point out, here is categorically mentioned while on active on duty. I was not on duty, Lordship, at that point of time.
Those are all factual aspects. Sorry. Post for orders.
This is, Lordship, I have also, one of my ground is that, Lordship, as per section 121 of the Assam Rifles Act, Lordship.
161, oh?
121.
Which page?
Page 13, ground number 6, Lordship.
Ah.
Yeah,
See,
Lordship.
now you have taken a plea that you are a lunatic.
Yes, Lordship, I was, Lordship, I was.
Okay, now a lunatic be employed and will be given a gun.
Lordship, I was under treatment, Lordship, and in the year 2010, I was under psychiatric treatment, Lordship. So, Lordship, these facts I placed before the court of inquiry, Lordship. But
See, I know how the psychiatric patient will behave,
Lordship,
react.
but they have not followed this procedure compulsion, Lordship.
Sorry. This point also you have not taken before another single judge.
Lordship.
Correct?
Lordship.
Now you are taking the plea.
Lordship.
This plea is against you. Those were orders on 1st of May.
My lord, he was in fact tried by the General Assam Rifle Court, my lord. It's a kind of court martial, my lord.
That is right. I know that.
He was given full opportunity.
Going there, coming back. Yes, those were orders. Not orders reserved. Those were orders. What are them? Sorry. Try your next case. Come with a better case. What's on?
from supplementary list. Item number 1.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes, sir.
This is a service matter, Lordship, related to termination. Your Lordship, the petitioner here has been serving in the school respondent since 1996.
Has that?
As a school assistant teacher, firstly, he was appointed in the year 1996. Then he was promoted as headmaster, Your Lordship, in the year 1998.
What are the reasons for termination?
The reasons for termination, Your Lordship, here at first instance, he was terminated. There was reduction of rank upon his...
Fraud.
No, Your Lordship. Is at page 26, Your Lordship, the first termination.
On 6/12/2015, you have been terminated.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Ah.
The reasons that stated that he was terminated, Your Lordship, was on count of a previous statement stated, which was decided on 11 December 2015.
1 minute, 1 minute. Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this document dated 11 December 2015 was provided to me recently.
11th?
December 2015, Your Lordship.
11th December 2015.
Yes, Your Lordship. This copy was provided to me, was supplied to me, Your Lordship.
What is the copy? Copy of the inquiry proceedings.
Yes, Your Lordship. The 11/12/2015 is the resolution taken for my termination. Yes, Your Lordship.
Ah.
I was supplied copy only by virtue of during pendency of the entire proceedings, Your Lordship, on 13/11/2023. I was supplied copy with.
Which was supplied to you, sir?
The
Termination order.
No, not the termination order, but the resolution on which the termination was taken.
Which means inquiry proceedings.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Oh.
And then, Your Lordship, after this, I was after my termination, Your Lordship, then an inquiry was conducted. And the findings of the inquiry, Your Lordship, is the Annexure 3, which is at page 27.
Annexure?
Annexure 3.
Yes.
Page 27, Your Lordship. So, by virtue, this inquiry was conducted by the...
This is the unanimous decision taken.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Page number 27, para 6.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Oh.
No, Your Lordship, the operative part, Your Lordship, is at page 31.
Page?
31.
Sir, you are asking me to take this page, that page.
Then I'll read...
So what is the submission you want to make based on page number 27?
Your Lordship, on a gist, Your Lordship, upon my first termination...
This is the first termination?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Oh.
And then I was reappointed.
Reappointed?
Yes.
Based on?
Based on this inquiry report, Your Lordship, which was conducted by the SDO, then subdivisional officer of Etsora subdivision.
First they have to conduct inquiry and dismiss you from service. Now they have dismissed you from service and after that they have conducted inquiry.
Yes, and upon the inquiry conducted, Your Lordship, I was reduced in my rank. From the post of headmaster, I was reduced to the post of assistant teacher. And then ultimately, Your Honor, another proceeding was conducted against me.
When did you join, sir?
1996, Your Lordship.
1996?
6. As an assistant teacher.
Assistant teacher?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
And I was promoted as a headmaster, Your Lordship, in the year 1998.
1998 headmaster. Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. And then during my entire service from 98, Your Lordship, till 2015, there was no allegation as such against me, Your Lordship. And then, Your Lordship, I was served with the notice of termination, Your Lordship.
On 6/12/2015?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Correct.
And, Your Lordship, upon my...
you made an appeal?
No, Your Lordship. He filed an application of which inquiry was conducted. And the inquiry findings, Your Lordship...
Sir, after termination, why should they conduct an inquiry?
Yes, Your Lordship, because on basis of the inquiry conducted, I was again reappointed. Your Lordship, the reappointment is that page...
No, sir. Based on it, that is after 6/12/2015 only you have been reappointed.
No, Your Lordship, this is my first termination. And I was again reappointed on 4 April 2016.
4th April?
2016.
4th April 2000?
16.
What happened?
Then upon my...
No, 4th April 2016 is your?
Is my reappointment.
Reappointment as?
As the assistant teacher. My rank from headmaster, Your Lordship, is reduced to assistant
Reappointment as?
Assistant teacher.
As a teacher?
Assistant teacher.
Assistant teacher?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So this is a fresh appointment?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Oh.
And then after my fresh appointment, Your Lordship...
See, please give the list of events. In service matter, I require the list of events. And it is easy for me to follow. See, you are jumping from 2015, then you are going back to 1996, again coming to 2016. Yes.
And yes, Your Lordship. Then upon my reappointment, I was again re-terminated.
Yes.
I was re-terminated again on 24 November 2016.
4/4/2016, you have been...
Your Lordship. I've been appointed on 4th April. And eventually, I was again re-terminated, Your Lordship.
Again?
Re-terminated.
Again terminated?
Yes.
Which of re-termination isn't there? Again terminated?
Yes,
From the post of assistant teacher?
Yes, Your Lordship.
On?
On 24th April, November 2016.
24th April?
24th November 2016.
November?
Yes.
2016?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So I worked for about 7 months?
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, there is an agreement as well with respect to payment of my pending salary and all.
So what is the order and the challenge in this writ petition?
Lordship, my second re-termination, Your Lordship.
Second termination from the post of assistant teacher?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So you have not questioned the termination from the post of headmaster?
Because I was reappointed, Your Lordship, on basis of the...
So on a lower pay, they have appointed you?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. So you are not concerned about the post of headmaster. Now you are concerned about the termination from the post of assistant teacher on 24th November 2016.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Correct.
So, Your Lordship, there was an inquiry conducted, Your Lordship.
When?
Again against me, which was constituted by the respondent school, by the state respondent, Lordship.
When was it conducted?
It was conducted on various events, Lordship. A separate affidavit was filed by the school respondent, Lordship, which is already on board, which was filed on 22nd March 2023.
22nd March?
2023.
Affidavit of the respondent?
School respondent, Lordship.
3 to 5. 21st March 2023.
Yes. Lordship, I was not supplied.
No, is it that affidavit? Are you referring to the affidavit dated 21st March 2023?
Yes, I'm referring to the affidavit, Lordship, because I was not supplied copy with the entire inquiry report, the entire inquiry against me.
They have not furnished you with the inquiry report?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
So I was supplied with, Your Lordship, by virtue of the order of the court on 13 March 2023. Now, Your Lordship, in all the entire proceedings, Your Lordship, I was never heard, Your Lordship. I was never called for my second inquiry. I was never heard for, I was never called for. So,
is it a simple termination?
As per, in accordance, Your Lordship, the findings of the inquiry committee, they based my termination again on the previous termination which they has made firstly. That is the document.
1 minute, please sit down. Sir, what's your case? Please make a submission with regard to, state the entire facts, including his case.
My Lord, in the first place, he was initially appointed as an assistant teacher, my Lord. Now my school, my Lord, my school is a village school, my Lord. It is a village school run by the managing committee of this village, my Lord. It is not a school set up by the government, my Lord.
It's not an aided school.
It is an aided school, my Lord. We receive granted aids, my Lord, at a very irregular interval. But anyway, my Lord, this is a school managed by a village, by the villagers itself, my Lord, by electing a managing committee, my Lord. Now, my Lord, this petitioner was appointed, my Lord, on 01/06/1996, my Lord, as an assistant teacher, my Lord. And my school's name is Light Mausiang Upper Primary School, my Lord. Light Mausiang is a village name, my Lord.
Yes.
So, my Lord, But in the writ petition, my lord, he has not enclosed the appointment order. But
1996 appointment order.
1996 appointment order, he has not enclosed, my lord.
You are not concerned about it.
Yes.
Because he is concerned only about the appointment as an assistant teacher
Yes.
in the year 2016.
Yes.
So we need not concern about the
Appointment of
earlier appointment.
Yes, my lord.
So now, according to him,
Yes.
he was appointed as an assistant teacher on
Yes.
4/4/2016.
Yes, my lord.
And he has been terminated on 24 November 2016. He has worked for about 7 to 8 months.
Yes, yes.
That is all.
Yes.
Now, he says that the inquiry was conducted and copy of the inquiry proceedings have not been given to him.
My lord, that is factually incorrect, my lord. Why it is factually incorrect? In the first place, my lord, I am not trying to throw any aspersions on his personal character, my lord. But the way he has conducted himself as a teacher, my lord, first of all, he was very irregular, my lord. He was least bothered about the welfare of the student, my lord, because it's a village school and it's a primary school, my lord. It is a place where we build the foundation of the village children, my lord. He doesn't come to school. And there was a midday meal scheme. He has completely misused the midday meal scheme. Therefore, at one point of time, we had to take an action against him, my lord. Now, he himself, and then he alleges that we have withheld his salary. And then he himself writes a complaint letter, my lord, to the government, my lord, to the SDSEO. To the SDSEO, there is a sub-divisional school education officer, my lord. He himself writes a letter against the managing committee, saying that we are unfairly treating him as a teacher. We are not paying him his salary. This is what his allegations are. So, therefore, my lord...
Sir, on what grounds you have terminated him from service?
My lord, I'll come to that one. Because
sir, that's very simple, sir.
Yes.
You have terminated him from services on 24 November 2016.
Yes.
Have you issued any suspension order? Was there any charge sheet? Any inquiry proceedings? Yes. Whether copies have been furnished to him? Whether witnesses have been examined? These are all the things that are required in service matter.
Yes. My lord, no, in the first place, my lord, even after we reinstate him as an assistant teacher. After we reinstate him. Reinstate him as an assistant teacher, my lord. He has never come and joined the school for 7 months. The attendance sheet will speak for itself, my lord.
Where is the charge sheet? Is it as, that is why the first question posed to him was whether it's a simple termination.
Yes.
And he said inquiry was conducted.
Yes, my lord. Can you look at this page 13 of my affidavit in opposition of the respondent number 3, 4, and 5, my lord.
Dated?
This is 12th of May 2016, my lord.
12th of May?
2016, my lord. This is after his reinstatement.
Where is it? 12th of May?
Page 13, my lord. Page 13 of the respondent number 3, 4, and 5.
Yes.
Can you look at this one, my lord, page 13? It says to Shri Everester Hinuta, my lord has got it. Subject summon.
1-3, annexure 1.
1-3, my lord, yes. So, with reference to the above subject cited above, I have the honor to inform you that you are summoned to appear before the disciplinary committee on 19th of May 2016 in the school office at 11.
No, annexure 1 is something else, dated 15 December 2015.
No, 12, my lord. This is page 13, my lord, I'm talking about.
1-3.
1-3, my lord.
So I'm having 1-3.
Is it this affidavit filed by respondent number 3, 4, and 5, my lord?
Affidavit is 3, 4, and 5 is dated 21st March 2023.
No. This is dated 30th of January 2023, my lord.
30th, yes. 30th of March, 30th of?
30th of January, my lord.
January 2023.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
There is a page, my lord, can you come to page 13, my lord, 1-3.
Yes.
So this is a summon, my lord. This is a summon to him by the disciplinary committee. With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to inform you that you are summoned to appear before the disciplinary committee on 19th of May 2016 in the school office at 11 a.m. sharp to clarify your adamant stand against the school authority. Mind that you are respond without fail. Now, my lord, this summon had to be issued by the disciplinary committee, compelled to be issued, because even after reinstatement and even after the inquiry report, he never.
What is this?
Yes.
Pay number. Without issuing a charge memo
Yes, my
or a
lord.
show cause memo,
Yes.
you are asking him to appear for the inquiry.
My lord.
How are you going to justify it?
My lord, of course, I fully agree, my lord. There is lots of lacuna in the proceedings.
That
my lord.
was as simple as that.
Yes.
You see, I'll set aside the order, remit it, you can issue a charge memo and conduct the inquiry.
My lord, that can be done.
No, this is not the way. He gives a complaint, you can't say come and appear before the disciplinary authority.
My lord, we can do that because I fully believe, I fully agree with my lord that this very irregular proceedings has happened, my lord.
So it's a very simple matter. You have taken 20 minutes for this.
My lord.
And he is also not in a position to explain. There is no charge sheet at all.
My lord.
There is no charge memo. Is there any charge memo?
No.
So please answer the question.
Yes.
But my lord, there is one undertaking, my lord, there is one agreement, my lord. One agreement that has been executed between him and the managing committee, in which he himself has given and undertaken, he agreed that he will not be a teacher anymore, my lord.
He will not?
He will not be a teacher anymore, my lord. If I can just show that agreement, my lord. This is at page 42 of the same affidavit, my lord. So this would, in my
Page 42.
page 42, this would draw as an estoppel to him coming before the court, my lord. Page 42, my lord. So, my lord, page, and this has been
Page 42 is in your language, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
What is the translated copy?
Translated copy would be page 45, my lord. Page 45 is a translated copy, my lord. Now, this is, my lord, may I just read very quickly? This deed of compromise was made today, the 5th day of December 2016 in village Dorbar Upper Primary School, like Mausian Sora. This deed of compromise is made between the school managing committee of village Dorbar Upper Primary School, Malausian Sora, and Professor Hinuta.
What is it?
This is.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I was not aware of the entire proceedings of the inquiry conducted against me, Lordship. And even
They have done a mistake.
Yes.
It's a grave mistake they have done.
yes, Lordship.
But you have rectified it by entering into a compromise.
Yes.
Come.
Your Lordship, may I-
Okay,
Your Lordship, but
See, having signed an agreement, how can you agitate, sir?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I was not supplied with this inquiry copy, which was
Not required. Not.
It was never
I
supplied. Your
agree
Lordship.
with you that there is complete violation of principles of natural justice.
Yes, Lord.
But you have agreed and taken 24,000 rupees for 7 months service as a compensation and said that I'm saying a golden handshake.
And
Beyond that,
very-
you're not- sorry.
Your Lordship, but there are no grounds for termination in respect of this report, 17/6/2015, Your Lordship, which was.
And very unfortunately, my lord,
Sorry,
he has.
Come. The present writ petition has been filed challenging the order dated so and so. The case of the petitioner is that he joined the services of so and so school, village Dorbar Upper Primary School, as an assistant teacher in the year 1996. By dint of hard work, he was promoted as a headmaster in the year 1998. He or she? He.
Yes.
She or he?
He.
Full stop. Without any rhyme or reason, the petition was terminated on 6/12/2015. Full stop. Subsequently, on 4/4/2016, the petition was again appointed as an assistant teacher, and after serving the management as serving the school without any blemish. He was terminated on 24th November 2016. Stop. According to the petitioner, the termination is contrary to the principles of natural justice, and that the illegal order of termination dated 24th November 2016 need to be interfered with. The counsel for the respondent submitted that the school receives grant in aid and is managed by the village committee. Even though he was appointed as a teacher, assistant teacher in the year 1996 and promoted as a headmaster, he was terminated from the services. In order to give another opportunity, he was given an appointment afresh as an assistant teacher on 4/4/2016. The teacher was irregular, and that the midday meal scheme was also misused by the teacher. Hence, the services were terminated. Other part, there was a compromise entered on 5th December 2016 between the petitioner and the respondent, whereby the petitioner has agreed to receive the compensation and get rid of and get out of the school by means of golden handshake. And the compromise, the English version of the compromise is extracted below, page number 45 and 46. Stop. Though the petitioner has vehemently contended that the action of the management of the school is in violation of the principles of natural justice, and a reading of the papers before this court would make it very clear that by annexure A3, the petitioner was asked to appear before the disciplinary committee to explain the adamant stand against the school authority. There is no charge memo, there is no show cause memo or charge memo calling him to explain. Full stop. The misconduct is also not revealed to the petitioner. There was no appointment of inquiry officer in conducting inquiry. Full stop. Though I agree with the contention of the petitioner that there is complete violation of principles of natural justice, in order to give a quietus to the matter, the petitioner himself has voluntarily entered into a compromise and taken a sum of rupees 24,000, which was acknowledged by him. Full stop. When he has signed a compromise, he has acquiesced of his rights and he has no right to agitate after the receipt of the money. Full stop. The petitioner has also not received the amount by making an endorsement under protest. Full stop. In view of the same, I find that there are no merits in the petition and the same is dismissed with no cause.
Obliged.
See, please give me the list of dates.
My lord.
See, you are appealing with the government. You must give me the list of dates.
My lord. Obliged.
So, the reason for posting all the service matters, it will not take more than 10 minutes for me to decide, sir. Unless, if you give the list, otherwise he is not in a position to give the facts correctly.
Yes.
And you are also trying to argue the issue which has not been before this court.
My lord. Apologies, my lord. Will
Yes.
take your note. Apologies.
From the daily list, item number 1.
The last case, sir. Yes.
My lord, in this case, I beg slight accommodation, my lord.
Why?
Conducting counsel for the state is unwell and could not appear.
What is the issue involved?
May it please your lordship.
Denied?
May I please your lordship? Your lordship, here this is the second set of litigation here, your lordship.
So what is the issue involved?
Here, your lordship, the termination from the service, your lordship.
Termination
Dismissal from the service.
On the ground?
on the ground of negligence of duty.
What is your designation?
Constable, Meghalaya Police Constable, Your Lordship.
Police constable.
Constable Sipai.
Next week, my lord, I am praying.
I think you will be having some regulation saying like banking regulation. In bank there is a clause number 3 is there. Regulation 3.
Here, Your
If
Lordship.
there is no utmost devotion to duty, you will be terminated from service.
Here, Your Lordship, I was terminated initially under the repealed provision of Act, Your Lordship.
Repealed provision.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I am not aware of it, my lord.
Okay. Yes. It is
My
represented
first
by
duty
the
was drawn on the
says the counsel is not well.
Lordship.
It is represented by the respondent. The arguing counsel is unwell on short time. Post on 29th?
Yes, my lord.
29th.
Your Lordship, 29th I will be out of station, Your Lordship.
29th you will be out of station.
Yeah, Lordship.
When do you want?
After 29th, Your Lordship, if possible.
1st of May?
It will do, Your Lordship.
1st of May.
Lordship.
Obliged.
1st of May.
Obliged.
See, please inform your friends.
Yes, my lord.
Otherwise, sir, ensure that in the cost list is mentioned as that advocates are requested to furnish the list of events. List of the already mentioned. See, already there is instruction there in the cost list. Unless you give the list of events, it will be very difficult. It will take much time.
That, Your Lordship.
See, out of 848 matters, 212 are service matters.
Yes, Your Lordship.
If you conduct service matter before me, one way or other, I'll dispose of the matter.
I will do, Your
And
Lordship.
you will get relief also. You can file an appeal. So next Chief Justice will have a chance to have more division, more writ appeals.
Lordship.
That's all.
I am ready, Your Lordship, for this matter.
Yes.
No problem.